What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? I don't know what that dance was. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For you guys that may not know, now you know, boo. And welcome to TonyaNicole and her bomb ass unboxings. Today, guys, we're going to be doing Glow Addict box. Now, I did have this subscription some months back, but I canceled and I saw some spoilers, so I resubscribed. So yeah, we got Glow Addict today. So if y'all want to see what's in January's box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you doing today. Okay, guys, welcome back. Today we have Glow Addict box, and I resubscribed because three reasons. One, I saw they had some good spoilers for this month. Two, there's a new owner. I think Millennial Beauty either took over ownership or they're doing like a part ownership with Glow Addict box. And thirdly, when you signed up for a 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription, or a year, you got a free brush set. Now, I did not get my brush set, so I did contact Glow Addict, and they said they would send it to me next month. So we're going to be hopeful that they do what they say. But we have January's box, guys, and we're not going to be too long today because I worked all day and I'm tired. So y'all hear my voice is starting to break up a little bit. I don't know what's going on with that. So before we even start our video, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. I'm going to put your name up here. Thank you guys so much for being my first 5 to comment. If you do not know and you're new here, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure your notification bells are on so you don't miss your girl. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely. So let's get into this unboxing, guys. We're going to do some quick specs and we're going to, unbox it, rate it. Y'all know all the good stuff. If you guys do not know, Glow Addict box is a $18.99 per month beauty subscription. It does have shipping and taxes included, so it's $18.99 plus whatever shipping and taxes are. You get 5 to 7 beauty products each month. They also have the Glow Addict beauty bag, which is $13.99 per month plus shipping and tax. And also the Glow Addict skincare box, which is $24.99 per month. I hope y'all got all of that. If not, I will put the link down below, guys. Just press it, go on their site, look around, and see if you want to subscribe. I do not have a link or a code for this company, so I'm sorry about that, guys. So it does come in this beautiful box every single month. I absolutely love the packaging. Y'all know it does not come with the card, which I don't like, but I got them prices, boo. These are the contents on the inside. And like I said, they do not come with a card, but I did look online and I got the prices, so I will put them down below. Without further ado, let's get this box on and cracking, boo. First up out of the box, I'm seeing from Zula Lashes, and these are the premium 3D mink lashes in the style Mia. And I think we just got these, I don't know which box, I guess it was Lashy box, I'm not sure. But these are what the lashes look like. I do like this eyelash. I think it's very pretty and very flowy, very wispy. Let me take them out the box so that you guys can see what they look like. And this is what they look like outside of the box, guys. Beautiful, beautiful lashes. I actually really like these. I might, since I got 2, I may put this in a giveaway for you guys, which is coming up on Wednesday. I hope you guys are ready and excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I did post that I was going through my videos, writing people's name down. I typed it all up, got them in my little envelope. So tomorrow I'm gonna fold them up, put them in my box, and I can't wait for Wednesday. But let's get back on to these, guys. And these are the Zula 3D silk lashes in the style Mia, and they retail for $12, guys. Up next, we have from Mermaid Scales, and this is, let me see what I have on here. This is the Chunky Glitter in the shade Golden Pearl. And that's what that looks like. It's big old chunky glitter, guys. I guess you can put this on like as, a topper on your eyeshadow or on your chest when you're trying to be, a mermaid or super sexy, I guess. Or you can put them alongside your eyes. Like I might use this for Mardi Gras. I don't know. I may do that. But let's see what this retails for, guys. This is the Mermaid Scales Chunky Glitter and Golden Pearl, and it retails for $9.99, guys. Up next, we have from J-Cat, and this is the Matte Makeup Setting Spray, and it's infused with wildflower. So that's what it looks like, guys. This is the bottle right here, and you get 2 fluid ounces of product in here. We are going to take the cap off and see what the spritzer look like. Okay, I don't know what that smell is. I'm not getting really wildflowers. I don't know, but it is a matte setting spray, so I'm very excited for that because I always need a matte setting spray. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the J-Cat Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray, and it retails for $7.99. Up next, guys, we have from Galactic, and this is the Matte Lip Paint Duo, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Now, I did get one like this in the box by Fashion Stuff, so if it's the same shades, I'm not gonna swatch it. I'll get the old one, and it's in the shade Posh and Allure, and I did get this one. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Let me grab my other one so I can swatch it for you guys so that you can see how it looks. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the one that I had. I put the other one back in here. So this is the shade Posh. I'm gonna swatch it right here. That's the shade Posh right there. I hope y'all can see that beautiful shade. And Allure is a little bit more on the lighter pink side. So this is Allure right here. This is Posh. So those are the 2 colors, guys. And let's see what this little baby retails for. And this is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint Duo, and it retails for $26, guys. $26 is a little pricey for some lipstick. So next we have from Apieu, I don't know how to say that, A-P-I-E-U, and this is the Strawberry Milk Brightening Sheet Mask here, and it's a cute little package right here, and you get 1 mask in here. Yes, it's a air pocket sheet, and it's a brightening mask. Everything is in this language here. I'm not sure of what the language is. I don't want to be disrespectful. So let's see what this retails for. And when I looked this up on, I found it on Target site, and it retails for $2.59. And last but not least, we have from Beauty Creations this Emeral Palette. And I'm very excited to receive a palette. Y'all know how I feel about palettes. When you slide it out, it looks like that, guys. And it does come with a mirror. Hey, girl. And these are the shades right here. I hope you guys can see that. I will not swatch this because I will be putting it in a giveaway, but it is gorgeous. I love these shades. You have some matte shades. You have some shimmer shades. I mean, you have a glitter shade. This is an absolute beautiful palette. And let's see what this retails for, guys. This is the Emerald Palette by Beauty Creations, and it retails for $11.99. Okay, so that was our final products. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we're gonna be done. Okay, so we received this palette by Beauty Creations, this Emerald Palette here, this Strawberry Milk Brightening Sheet Mask here, from J-Cat, this Matte Makeup Setting Spray here, from Zula Lashes, these beautiful lashes in the style Mia, and from Mermaid Scales, this loose glitter, scaly glitter, chunky glitter here. And from Galactic, this lip duo here. So that is 6 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box is I resubscribed because I thought some of the spoilers were good. And for $18.99, I do think that this is a pretty decent box. I think it's a pretty decent subscription. I really like the products in this month's box. I will definitely be using a lot of these products for this month. I have this already, so I'm just going to put this in a giveaway. I'm going to put the mask in a giveaway. I would use this palette if I was keeping it, but I'm going to put this one in a giveaway. So these three are definite that I will be using. So I'm actually excited about the box. I think that it's pretty decent. I think it's a good value. The box total was $71.55. So I think that, you know, the value could be a little higher, but I think for what the price is, I think the products are worth it. For this month at least. So yes, guys, I do like this month's box. I do really like that we got a setting spray. I love setting sprays. Y'all should know that. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Glow Addict for this month a solid 3.5 because I didn't get my brushes, but hopefully next month we'll get them. But I thought it was a pretty decent box for the price. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of Glow Addict. Let me know what you think of this box, what your rating would be. And yeah, guys, if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl. Follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of my updates on Instagram. Wednesday is our big 2K giveaway. And the way that I did it this time was I just went back on a few videos, actually all of December's videos, and I picked my most consistent commenters. I went to Instagram and see who follows me on Instagram, wrote your name down, then I typed it up. I ripped them up while I cut them into pieces, put them in my envelope, which I'm gonna just pull random names. I think that's the fair way to do it. I don't want to use a comment picker because I want to give back to people that actually support me on a consistent basis, my loyal subscribers. And also, guys, please do not get discouraged if you do not win this giveaway because I always do giveaways on my channel, and I'm also going to be doing some Instagram giveaways. I just have a small request from you guys if you do not mind. If you are commenting on a giveaway video, or if you watch my video and see I have a giveaway going on, please don't comment about the giveaway down below because it makes me think that you're only here for the giveaway. I choose people that are consistent supporters of mine when I do my big giveaway, and I'm going to be picking 5 winners this time for our little giveaway we have going on Wednesday. Just a little token of my appreciation for you guys that rock with me on a consistent basis. So, I mean, you don't have to ask me if you're entered in the giveaway because you know if you're a consistent subscriber and commenter on my channel, you're entered, hands down. And I think that's the fairest way for me to do it. So that's all that I have to say about that, guys. I will see you all on Wednesday, and down in the comments below, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you think I should keep Glow Addict around on this channel or just test out these 3 months and see what happens. I'm losing my voice as we go. So I will see you guys on Wednesday. I will see you down in the comments below. I love you all so much. Until next time in next video, you guys be blessed. Bye.